Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a custom door profile that we were asked to create. So I'm going to walk through the process that we went through, creating the file and cutting it on the CNC. We'll start the process by opening up a program called Aspire. Might be VCarve Pro for those that are using maybe a lower version of the Vectric product. First you're going to see me create a box that's 12 inches by 12 inches. Then I will create a secondary box that is 8 inches by 8 inches, and then I'll go through a process of nesting that or centering it within the larger box. That's going to give me my overall door profile. Then I'm going to go through a process of creating a smaller box or two other smaller boxes that are essentially a ½ inch smaller on both the top and the bottom. Again, going through that process of nesting them within the larger box to get our overall door profile. And here you can kind of see on how that process works and what the overall project is going to look like. From here, I'm going to go into the toolpath section of the program and create the cutting toolpaths. The first one, the very center section of the door, we're going to cut at 3/8 of an inch. We're going to mill that whole area out. The next subsequent areas, we're going to raise it up 1/8 of an inch. So the second section will be cut at 1/4 of an inch, and it'll just be a 1/4 inch end mill bit that cuts that. And then the third one will be cut at 1/8 of an inch. You'll see the profiles or the tool paths that we're using for that particular cut. And then finally, you'll see me go through and select the outermost area of the door. We're going to go through a process of cutting out that profile, so that way we have the door completely cut and ready to be sanded and eventually painted. You'll see the error pop up, essentially just telling me that it doesn't want me to cut through too far into my spoil board. From here, we'll go ahead and save this tool path out to our local drive. Once we have the file saved to our computer, we'll open up the CNC controller and walk through the process of just going and finding where we saved that file. We'll take a quick peek at it within the display. Here I zoomed in just to make sure, yep, that's the right file. And then we'll go ahead and click the play button, and then the CNC will take over.